In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cartoon animation speech bubble in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a fun animated speech bubble to your designs and customize it with your own text. First, open up Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one you want to work on. Once your canvas is ready, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Elements tab. This is where you'll find all kinds of graphics, shapes, and illustrations that you can use as your background or as part of your overall design. Take a moment to scroll around if you like, and choose any background or decorative elements you want to include. Setting up your background first can help the speech bubble stand out more clearly later on. Once you've placed your background or main design elements, click on the Elements tab again. This time, instead of browsing, go to the search bar at the top of the Elements panel and type in Speech Bubble. Canva will show you a range of options, from simple outline bubbles to colourful cartoon-style shapes. Choose a speech bubble that matches the style of your project, then click it to add it to your design. You can resize it by dragging the corners and move it around until it sits exactly where you want it on the page. Now that your speech bubble is in place, it's time to bring it to life with animation. At the top of the screen, click on Animate. This will open a panel with different animation styles. Depending on your Canva version, you'll see options like simple fades, bounces, slides, or more dynamic cartoon-like effects. Hover over each option to preview how your speech bubble will move, then click on the one you like best. Remember, you can always change this later if you want to try a different style. Next, you'll want to add text inside the speech bubble. Click on the text option from the left-hand menu. Choose a heading, subheading, or body text, and it will appear on your design. Drag the text box into the speech bubble and type your message. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so it fits neatly and matches your design's look. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts that Canva provides. These may guide you through adjusting timing, applying the animation to specific elements, or previewing your animated design. When everything looks good, preview your animation, make any final tweaks you need, and then download or share your finished design.